Affiliate marketing offers an incredible opportunity to achieve financial freedom. It's a performance-based business model where you earn commissions by promoting other companies' products or services. Imagine earning passive income while you sleep, all by recommending products you believe in. That's the power of affiliate marketing. As an affiliate marketer, you act as a bridge between businesses and their potential customers. You find products you love, share them with your audience, and earn a commission for every sale made through your unique affiliate link. The beauty of this model is that you don't need to create your own products, handle inventory, or deal with customer support. Affiliate marketing is a win-win situation for both parties involved. Businesses expand their reach and drive sales, while affiliates earn a commission for their marketing efforts. It's a collaborative approach to online business that can be incredibly rewarding. Whether you're a blogger, social media influencer, email marketer, or simply passionate about sharing great products, affiliate marketing provides a flexible and accessible path to financial independence. Let's explore the essential tools and platforms that will empower you on this exciting journey. To thrive in affiliate marketing, you need the right tools and platforms. These tools streamline efforts, track progress, and maximize earnings. Join reputable affiliate networks like Amazon Associates, ClickBank, ShareASale, and CJ Affiliate. These networks offer a wide array of products to promote. Invest in tools for automation, data analysis, and efficiency. Look for features like link tracking, keyword research, and email marketing automation. Use social media to connect with your audience and promote offers. Build an email list to nurture relationships and promote products. Leverage these tools and platforms to achieve your financial goals. Success in affiliate marketing requires more than just signing up for programs and slapping affiliate links on your website. It demands a strategic approach to effectively promote products and generate conversions. Focus on a specific niche to tailor your content and product recommendations. Create high-quality, engaging content that provides value to your audience. This could include blog posts, product reviews, or video tutorials. Be transparent about your affiliate relationships and only promote products you believe in. Experiment with different traffic generation strategies like SEO and social media marketing. Stay consistent, continuously learn, and adapt for long-term success. Countless individuals have achieved remarkable financial success through affiliate marketing. Let's delve into a few inspiring real-world examples. Pat Flynn, the founder of Smart Passive Income, built a multi-million-dollar online business primarily through affiliate marketing. He transparently shares his income reports, strategies, and insights, inspiring aspiring entrepreneurs worldwide. Michelle Schroeder-Gardner, the mastermind behind Making Sense of Sense, earns a six-figure income by promoting financial products and services through her blog and email list. Her story exemplifies the power of niche marketing and authentic storytelling. John Lee Dumas, the host of the popular Entrepreneurs on Fire podcast, generates substantial revenue through affiliate partnerships with brands relevant to his entrepreneurial audience. His success highlights the potential of leveraging podcasts for affiliate marketing. These examples demonstrate that affiliate marketing is not a get-rich-quick scheme, but a legitimate business model that can lead to financial freedom with dedication, hard work, and the right strategies. Section 5. Selecting your niche. The foundation of affiliate success. Choosing the right niche is crucial for your affiliate marketing success. Your niche represents your area of focus, the specific audience you want to target, and the types of products you'll promote. When selecting a niche, consider your passions, interests, and areas of expertise. It's much easier to create compelling content and promote products you genuinely believe in. Research the profitability of your chosen niche. Are there affiliate programs offering competitive commissions? Is there a sizable audience willing to spend money on products within this niche? Consider the competition within your niche. While a certain level of competition is healthy, you want to avoid overly saturated niches where it's difficult to stand out. Remember, your niche doesn't have to be set in stone. You can always adjust and refine your focus as you gain experience and insights into the market. Section 6. Crafting high-converting content, the art of persuasion. Content is the lifeblood of affiliate marketing. It's the vehicle through which you provide value to your audience, build trust, and ultimately persuade them to make a purchase. When creating content, focus on providing solutions to your audience's problems. answering their questions, and guiding them towards the best products or services to meet their needs. Use a variety of content formats to keep your audience engaged. Experiment with blog posts, product reviews, comparison articles, video tutorials, infographics, case studies, and ebooks. Optimize your content for search engines to attract organic traffic. Research relevant keywords, use them strategically throughout your content, and build backlinks to your website. Promote your content across multiple channels to maximize its reach. Share it on social media, email it to your subscribers, and consider paid advertising to reach a wider audience. Section 7. Driving traffic to your affiliate offers. Strategies for visibility. Driving traffic to your affiliate offers is essential for generating clicks, conversions, and ultimately, commissions. Here are some effective strategies to increase your visibility. Search engine optimization is a powerful long-term strategy. By optimizing your content and website for relevant keywords, you can attract organic traffic from search engines like Google. Social media marketing allows you to connect with your target audience, share your content, and promote your affiliate offers. Choose platforms where your audience hangs out and engage with them regularly. Paid advertising can provide a quick and targeted way to drive traffic. Platforms like Google Ads and Facebook Ads allow you to display ads to specific demographics and interests. Email marketing is an effective way to nurture relationships with your audience and promote affiliate products directly to their inbox. Build an email list by offering valuable content upgrades and send regular newsletters with affiliate promotions. Section 8. Building trust and credibility, the cornerstone of conversions. In the world of affiliate marketing, trust is paramount. People are more likely to purchase based on the recommendation of someone they trust. Be transparent about your affiliate relationships. Disclose that you may earn a commission for purchases made through your links. This transparency builds trust with your audience. Only promote products or services you genuinely believe in. Your authenticity will shine through, and your audience will appreciate your honest recommendations. Provide valuable content that educates and informs your audience. When people perceive you as a trusted source of information, they're more likely to trust your product recommendations. Engage with your audience and build relationships. Respond to comments, answer questions, and participate in relevant online communities. Section 9. Tracking, analyzing, and optimizing the data-driven approach. Tracking your affiliate marketing efforts is crucial for understanding what's working, what's not, and how to improve your results. Use affiliate tracking software to monitor clicks, conversions, and earnings for each affiliate program you join. This data will provide valuable insights into your audience's behavior. Analyze your website traffic using tools like Google Analytics. Identify your top-performing pages, traffic sources, and audience demographics to optimize your content and marketing efforts. Conduct A/B testing to experiment with different headlines, calls to action, and page layouts. This data-driven approach allows you to identify the most effective elements for conversions. Continuously analyze your results, make adjustments, and refine your strategies based on the data you gather. Affiliate marketing is an ongoing process of optimization. Section 10. Common affiliate marketing mistakes to avoid. Affiliate marketing, like any business venture, comes with its own set of potential pitfalls. By being aware of these common mistakes, you can avoid them and increase your chances of success. Promoting too many products at once can overwhelm your audience and dilute your message. Focus on a select few high-quality products that align with your niche and resonate with your audience. Neglecting your audience's needs is a recipe for failure. Always put your audience first, provide value, and promote products that genuinely solve their problems or enhance their lives. Ignoring the importance of building an email list is a missed opportunity. Your email list is a valuable asset that allows you to nurture relationships with your audience and promote affiliate products directly to their inbox. Being impatient and expecting overnight success is unrealistic. Affiliate marketing takes time, effort, and consistency. Stay committed to your goals and don't get discouraged by initial setbacks. Section 11. Embark on your affiliate marketing journey today. Affiliate marketing offers an incredible opportunity to achieve financial freedom by partnering with businesses and promoting their products or services. By following the strategies outlined in this guide, you can set yourself up for success in this exciting and rewarding industry. Remember to choose a niche you're passionate about, create high-quality content that provides value to your audience, Build trust and credibility, drive targeted traffic to your affiliate offers, and continuously track, analyze, and optimize your efforts. Embrace the learning process, stay adaptable, and never give up on your dreams of financial independence. The world of affiliate marketing awaits.